This would be really cool if it wasn't a scam. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you this. Actually, I bought it a while ago, but I just received it. And in and of itself, it's not too terrible. And what's more interesting about this is that the big long process to get this turned out to be something of a scam. It definitely had a lot of misrepresentation in it. But first of all, what I want to show you here and what I wanted to get was a really cool Stargate. So you may remember the movie, you may remember the TV show. The Stargate allowed people from Earth to go to different planets, and it's got this little mirror right here. This is plastic, and this is kind of just cast in some sort of cheap plaster. You know, it's not very heavy. It's got the little steps here. I mean, it's kind of got that cheap tourist-like collectible type of finish on it. You can actually see there is another piece of mirrored plastic on the back, which is just glued in there, hot glue gun. You know, none of that really disappoints me. But what is interesting about this is that it also has a little battery compartment right there. I put in 3 AAA batteries, and then we have a little power switch here. And if I throw on that power switch, what you might be able to see here is that there's a ring of LED lights around the edge. And so you kind of remember these types of infinity mirrors. I remember a friend of mine had something like this hanging on the wall of his house, and it's kind of nice because it looks like it's a giant tube, and this would be the wormhole between worlds. And this is the ring here that shows the different planets, and you use these to dial in the coordinates. Now, this here itself is something that if you are a Stargate fan, you could put on your desk, on your nightstand, that type of thing, and probably just enjoy it for what it is. Just a little reminder of the good old days of Stargate. The problem with this is that I ordered this from a company that I found on Facebook, which is probably my first problem. And I think the company's name is Amethystly. And I saw an ad for this, and they had a little video. They actually had 2 versions. They called it the standard 3D printed version and then the enhanced version. In the enhanced version video, the demo video they had, looked great. This looked like this was a large, very detailed replica or collectible. It actually had a little stand where you would dial in the coordinates, and then the ring would move, and these little brackets here would move in and out. It had sound effects and all of that. And now what I realize, after doing a little research, after opening this sucker up, is that they just took video of people making these things from YouTube. So what I actually found is that the video that they used to sell me on this was just a person on YouTube who was an enthusiast about Stargate and built their own and 3D printed it. So they never really had anything like that. In fact, I kind of wonder if they even had these little cheap replicas, because this actually took me over 3 months to get. In fact, when I was unboxing the sucker, I was kind of confused about what it was because it had been so long since I had ordered it. Now, here's the real problem with this. This little device here is probably worth 10, 15, maybe 20 bucks because of the novelty of it. Maybe if it was really licensed to whoever owns the rights to it, you know, I can see it going for 20 bucks, and I think it's fair. The problem with this is that they had a simpler 3D printed model, which was like 50 bucks, and then the enhanced version with the electronics and the programming and the moving parts and all of that was $100. So I paid like a moron $100 for this thing, and this is what I got. Now, what I've noticed is that the Amethystly Facebook site is still up. I actually thought I could go and maybe complain, but there are lots of people who have also confirmed that they did not receive, 1, the things they ordered, but 2, if they did receive it, it was not exactly what they ordered. So unfortunately, they have probably made about $85 on me in pure profit. They do not seem to be posting or commenting on anything, and in fact, the website where I went ahead and bought this thing, which I think was like a Shopify site, the domain doesn't actually show a page anymore either. So a little bit of a quick hit fly by night. I will say that at least I got something. This isn't totally useless. It's kind of cool in its own right, but certainly not worth $100 to me. So the lesson here is, 1, I am hoping that you are smarter than me. 2, if you see something on Facebook that you think is worth buying, I would definitely check out the website. I know that there are collectible and reproduction and replica sites like QMX, things like that, that are really reputable. They do a really great job. They always deliver. But if you are finding something that, even when the pricing does not seem like it's too good to be true, I would definitely check it out, because it's really easy to throw up a Facebook page and scam some people out of stuff. So really disappointed in this at $100, but I'd be satisfied with this at 10 or 15. Anyway, if you want some Stargate stuff that's legit and will actually arrive to you when you order it, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.